welcome back. If you are preparing for the XAT exam and feeling overwhelmed by quantitative aptitude section, you have come to right place. In today's video, we are going to break down an effective strategy to tackle Quant in XAT and get the best result possible. So let's dive in. Step 1. Think of fundamentals. The first step in your XAT Quant preparation is getting your fundamentals strong. XAT often tests your understanding of key concepts from algebra, geometry, arithmetic, and number theory. Now let's break it down by topic. Algebra. Here you will need a strong grasp of equations, inequalities, functions, and graphs. Focus on practicing how to solve quadratic and linear equations and how to interpret graphs. Geometry. In geometry, coordinate geometry and trigonometry are key. You will also encounter questions on mensuration, so make sure you know your theorems and formulas. Arithmetic. Number system, ratio, proportion, time scale, distance, these are all essential topics. You will also need percentage and mixtures questions. Number 3. This includes divisibility, remainders, factors, multiples, LCM, HCM. These topics might seem simple, but they require careful attention. Before you move on to advanced topics, mastering these fundamentals will make your preparation smoother. Step 2. Quantitative ability. Once your fundamentals are solid, it's time to dive into XAT quantitative ability section. This is where your problem-solving skills will be tested. Algebra. Within algebra, focus on solving linear and quadratic equations, understanding function and graphs, and mastering algebraic identities. Geometry. Coordinate geometry, trigonometry, and mensuration problems are common. Revise all the key theorems and formulas. Arithmetic. Get comfortable with ratios, time, speed, distance, percentage, and interest calculations. XAT often tests your ability to quickly apply these concepts. Number theory. Don't forget about divisibility rules, factors, multiples, and properties like LCM and HCM. Each of these topics require focused practice. Let's move on to next crucial aspect. Data sufficiency and data interpretation. XAT also tests your skills in data sufficiency and data interpretation. These sections are often tricky, but with the right strategy, you can ace them. Data sufficiency. Practice questions with involved logical reasoning, table-based and chart-based data sufficiency. Your goal is to determine whether the given information is sufficient to solve a problem without actually solving it. Data interpretation. Whether it is table, chart, graph, or cassette, practice interpreting data quickly and accurately. This is all about speed and accuracy. By honing these skills, you will save valuable time during the exam. Quantitative comparisons and mixed topics. Next, you need to tackle quantitative comparisons. These questions test your ability to quickly compare values or expressions in areas like algebra, geometry, and data analysis. Quantitative comparison. Work on problems involving number comparison, algebraic expressions, and even geometric properties. Mixed topic. Finally, XAT often throws in mixed topic questions that combine concepts from algebra, geometry, and arithmetic. Take sectional tests and mixed topic quizzes to stimulate the actual exam environment. Preparation strategy. Now that you know what to study, let's discuss how to study, and here's the solid preparation strategy. Number 1, understand the XAT exam pattern and syllabus. Number 2, create a study plan and schedule. Dedicate specific days to each topic and mix in practice sessions. Number 3, focus on fundamentals and concepts. Number 4, practice mixed topic quizzes and sectional tests. This will help you to develop speed and accuracy. Number 5, review and analyze mistakes. Make sure you learn from your errors. Number 6, take mock tests and assess performance regularly. Mocks are the best way to gauge where you stand and improve. Tips and tricks. Here are some quick tips and tricks to boost your Quant score. First, use flashcards for formulas. Keep them handy for quick revision. Second, practice mental calculation. It saves a lot of time during the exam. Third, use shortcuts for calculation. Faster methods can make a big difference. Fourth, elimination options and use logical reasoning. Sometimes narrowing down and choices is the best way to go. Fifth, manage time effectively. Always keep an eye on the clock. That's it for today's videos on Quant Prep Strategy. Remember, practice is key. So keep solving problems and taking mock tests. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exam prep tips. Thank you. Have a good time.